Welcome back, masterminds, to another exciting video here on Masterandlearnit, where we're making learning easy and fun. In this video, I want to learn a really cool trick on how to change mixed numbers to improper fraction. In the previous video, we discussed what's a mixed number. It has a whole number and a proper fraction. Sometimes you want to change this to that. So you want to know, how can you change a mixed number to an improper fraction? So that's very simple. Watch this video till the end, and by the end of the video you would know how to do so. So what do we do to change a mixed number 2 and 3 over 4 to 11 over 4? So what we simply do is we times the denominator and the whole number plus the numerator. That's simple. Denominator times the whole number, so 4 times 2, that's 8, plus the answer that you get plus the numerator. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3, that's 11, all over your same denominator, 4. So I've just tried to show you how to represent this using the visual diagrams right here. So 2 and 3 over 4 means you have 2 full cakes that you are going to eat, and you eat all of them, and the other third cake you only eat 3 pieces out of 4 pieces. So that means the first cake you eat the first, the second, the third, and the fourth. So you ate 4 pieces here, and also here you eat 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces again. And on the last cake you only ate 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So how many pieces did you eat all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you actually ate 11 pieces out of the denominator. Represent all the parts in one full cake. So in one full cake we had how many parts? 4 parts. So the denominator always represents the parts, all the parts in one full cake. So this is how you can represent this. If I want to represent this using this, I would say I ate 2 full cakes, and on the third one I only ate 3 slices, and that 3 slices was made up of 4 slices. So let's do some example here and see how we can be applying that. So I'm going to erase this part, then we do the next one. So if I say change 5 and 2 over 3 to an improper fraction, you times, then you add. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17, all over the same denominator 3. How about if I have 8 and 4 over 5? Would you want to try that for me? Okay, so of course I'm sure you said you're gonna times, then you're gonna add. 5 times 8, that's 40. 40 plus 4, we get 44 over our same denominator 5. And you can see these numbers that we have, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. That's an improper fraction. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. That's an improper fraction. So now that you know how to change from mixed numbers to improper fraction, if you like this video, share to your friends, give it a big thumbs, and always subscribe to Masterandlearnit, where we make learning fun and easy. See you in the next video.